Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a tea time snack. It is the ulli vada or the onion vada. This is traditionally and very commonly found in Kerala in every nook and corner tea shop. This is perfect accompaniment to a hot cup of tea, but it is also equally yummy during the monsoons. This can be easily made at home with very few ingredients. So let's begin today's recipe. For the onion vada, I have taken 4 onions which are large. If you're taking medium sized ones, you can take 5 of them. I've cut it into very thin slices. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger or adrak, a few curry leaves or curry patta toned roughly, 3 to 4 green chilies depending on how spicy you want your onion vada, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder for the color. I'm going to mix everything together to make sure that the salt has been mixed well and is well combined. This I'm going to keep aside to rest for around 10 to 15 minutes. What will happen in the meantime is that the onions will sweat due to the salt that we have added, and it will be ready for making. This is after 15 minutes. The quantity has reduced as the onions have sweated. Now to this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of rice flour and 3 tablespoons of besan or gram flour. Normally only maida is added, and since I don't want to add maida, I'm going to add besan and rice flour. Rice flour is going to give the onion vada a lovely crispy texture. Mix well. Do not add any more water because the moisture that has come out of the onions will be more than enough to bind the entire onion vada mixture. How do you know if the flours that we added is enough? When you hold the vada mixture in your hand, it should form a rough shape. That's how you know that you have enough flour in it for the binding. Like so. We are ready to fry the vadas. I'm damping my hand and I'm going to shape it into vadas. I'm going to deep fry till golden brown on a very medium flame. Keep flipping the vadas for even cooking on all sides. The onion vadas are nearly done. Remove from the oil and serve piping hot. This goes best with a piping hot cup of tea, and I hope you all do give this a try. I hope you have liked today's recipe. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please do so now and press on the bell icon for notifications for all the other videos that I upload. Till I see you again, please be safe.